In this video, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching AI thumbnails using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like create a YouTube thumbnail concept for this topic. Then add details such as colors, theme, mood, and the main text you want on the thumbnails. DeepSeek will generate layout, ideas, text suggestions, and visual concepts you can use for your design. If you already have a specific style minimal, bold, gaming, tech, or vlog, you can tell DeepSeek to match that look. You can also ask it to improve your thumbnail text, create click-worthy captions, suggest color combinations, or give multiple variations for A and B testing. Once you have the design, open your editing tool like Canva, Photoshop, or Figma and recreate the layout with images, text, and icons. So that's it.